yogis. Today we're gonna perform Jal Neti.
So what we need is Jal Neti pot with elongated nozzle, small enough that you can easily insert inside your nostril. Link in description to find it on Amazon. Teaspoon of salt and a half liter of hot water. Once the water reaches 38 to 40 degrees, you can add the salt, a teaspoon, and mix gently. We put the water inside the Jal Neti pot.
Place the spout of the pot into one of the nostrils. The cone at the end of the spout should be placed inside the nostril. Tilt your head gently and open your mouth. Adjust the tilt of your head up to a point where water starts flowing from your nostril.
So thank you very much for watching this video. Leave a comment below, share and like it. Thank you.